Welcome back. In this training video, we'll learn how to generate financial statements. Then we'll learn how to drill into those financial statements and discover just how easy it is to export them to Excel. So let's get started. To access the financial reporting menu, users will require the accounting or finance read-only security roles. The financial reporting form can be found on the Accounting and Finance main menu, then in the General Ledger submenu, which displays the financial reporting menu icon in the functional menu. The form can also be accessed by typing FRP into the menu code area of the FOURA Navigator. FOURA's financial reporting provides easy-to-generate and professional-looking financial statements that can be quickly adjusted to represent different accounting periods and time intervals. The financial statements have the look and feel of Excel, with many of the formatting options of Excel available to the user in FOURA. In addition to the standard trial balance, balance sheet, and cash flow statements, FOURA financial reporting also features 3 different income statement formats: a summary income statement, an income statement by cost center or accounting unit, and a detailed income statement. Users can quickly generate a workbook that contains monthly, quarterly, or annual financial statements, each on a different sheet. FOURA's financial reports are drillable, which means users can drill down from the top-level reports by different data dimensions such as an account code, a project code, a customer, or several other dimensions. From there, users can also drill directly into the ledger transactions and use the zoom buttons to view the source transaction documents such as a sales invoice. From there, you can use the zoom button to go to the related sales order. Now the user can continue to drill in and pursue information about the affiliated purchase order, quote, or view related receiving or inventory transactions if they wish. FOURA also provides document attachment abilities, allowing the user to view the attached documents that are associated with any of the supporting content. Users can also export the financial reports in a workbook, including the content from the drill down sections right into Excel. The reports will look exactly like they do in FOURA, clean and neatly formatted, with all the formulas and subtotals and totals intact, making these financial reports ideal for additional analysis, reporting, or for use in presentations. FOURA's drillable financial reports puts real-time information at users' fingertips. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. Please be sure to check out additional tutorials to learn more about FOURA's powerful features, processes, and tips. Thanks for watching.